And welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm an artist and a mom of 5 kids. And with my middle daughter, today we're going to be drawing an orca. A baby orca. Kind of like the one from Swirly from Wildcrafts. We're going to start with the fin. Right here. Uh-oh. That's not a good one. Let me get you a better one. All right, so try to get a nice curve on it. Yeah, right there in the middle. Okay, make a curved line down like that. All right, and then this comes forward and down. Okay, and then this just kind of makes a little bump.
And orcas are actually a type of porpoise.
Yeah, and then the white part is underneath it there. We'll do the rest of it later. I just want to remind you. Okay. All right. Now this goes back. And then there's this little marking in there. Like that. All right, good. And now right next to that is the eye. Now, my daughter wants to do it like Swirly, the Wildcrafts character. And so if you want to do it like Swirly, what you'll do is, okay, go ahead and draw your eye. And then you can make a swirl right next to it. But I'm not a big fan of the swirl, so I'm gonna just do that marking. And then the way Swirly, the Wildcrafts one, does it, there's just a pupil right here and then a line right there. But I want to do it bigger. And so I'm gonna do it like that. All right. So now we're gonna do this fin like that. And then the bottom part that's white meets up here. And I'm gonna make this a little bit happier looking by making that curve not quite so pronounced.
Mine doesn't look happy.
Okay, it's looking happier as you thicken up that line. Cute. All right, so there's a back fin back here. All right, and then right here, we're going up and then over next to that. Good. And then inside of here, there's a black marking that goes like this. And then over like this. All right, and now this back fin goes out and down, and then curves up, and then down, and then up. And it makes kind of this notch, and then down, curve it around, and up. And then the black part goes back along the top part here. All right, so now we're just gonna go around and thicken up all of these lines where the black part is and just make sure we have all the curves how we want them on our drawing. Take your time. All right, should we color it in now? All right, I wanted to use colored pencils instead of marker because I feel like that'll look better, but if you want to use a Sharpie and just fill it in.
Which one should I use?
I don't know, but I'm gonna turn it on time lapse and we'll go from there. Good job drawing Swirly. Look at that. She did so good. And we hope you had fun drawing Swirly too. I would love to see how yours turned out. Tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then I'll be able to see it. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. And we'll see you later.
Bye.